Zeggy Pup here, reporting in. This is Wonder Pup, our beautiful and loving star of the yard. There he is, and he loves his mama. Oh, a good pup. A loving pup. Yes. Because you love those pets. And you've been protecting my mama. You've been protecting my mama. Look at you. Look how beautiful and precious pup gets massages and gets all the love and gets all that attention this morning. Oh. Yes, he likes the tickle by the face hairs, by the chinny chin. Oh, grumbling and grumbling. Because those are loving expressions. That is our pup. Yay!